Kuya celebrated an anniversary on 420, and it was a night of fashion, music, and lots of stars, including San Jizzle.
It's April 20th, so you know that can only mean one thing, 420, Kuya style. Dan Shepherd, welcome, brother. You put on your modeling shoes tonight.
You know what I mean? Actually, I wear barefoot.
Oh, technically,
you know what I mean? But yeah, man, it went well, man. I love to see the support that Kuya gets, you know what I mean? It shows that Jamaica still have Kuya at a special place in them heart.
Right now we're here with the Kuya ambassador, Akaya. First of all, it's a big celebration. How is it? Where are you from, by the way?
I am originally from Trinidad and Tobago.
You living in Jamaica now?
No, I live in the US actually.
Oh wow, how did you become a brand ambassador for Kuya?
Oh wow, it's a long story, man. But it started like 11 years ago. They reached out to me.
You've been a brand ambassador for 11 years?
Yes, I.
Wow.
Yes, they reached out to me. I wasn't ready. I kind of like left it to the side. Then when I felt like I was ready, I visited Miami, and here I am.
Wicked, and what's the vibe like for you here tonight?
It's beautiful, it's beautiful. It's upful, it's just positive, and I'm happy for the brand.
Corruption. Right now we're here at Gary and Homer, two of the masterminds behind Kuya. First of all, congratulations on another anniversary. What anniversary are you celebrating right now?
We're celebrating 2 anniversaries. One is the rebirth of Kuya to the retail space in Jamaica. This is our 2nd year. And the 36th year of celebrating our brand. Through the great Homer Bear, the founder, president, and the boss.
Homer, how does it feel to achieve such a milestone? 36 years, half the people in the venue are not even 36 yet.
Well, we give thanks, you know, because we need to bring this to the younger people and just get them to endorse the brand and love the brand.
Big designer, hey, we see a mash up the place tonight, though.
You know we have to do it best.
Big always come unique.
Go hard or go home, baby.
So, is it that you design certain pieces for Kuya as well?
Yes, I'm a co-designer for Kuya, so you can find my pieces there. So it's Kuya times Minka.
And how do you feel to see the big reception here tonight?
Oh, I'm so thankful we prayed for this, so it's answered prayers. And I know every spiritual, God first, everything, prayers answered.
Senator Hart, today, 420, the celebration of Kuya's anniversary. What you thought about the whole festivities?
It's always a good energy, you know. You see Kuya, what Kuya represents is a part of the culture, and Kuya has been one of our most long-standing brands as Jamaicans. And the overall 420 today symbolizes a real significant day for not just Jamaicans, but for people who love cannabis and love the whole energy all over the world. Today is icing on the cake, and it was a really good fashion show, the entertainment, and the people love it.
Legendary Dan Newton in the building, welcome, brother.
Yeah, I represent Kuya, you don't know.
Right over there with 3D Renaissance Disco. First of all, I want to do the production tonight.
Yeah, man, everything I see right there, the lights, the stage, the trust in the screens, the speakers, everything is over the decking. Yeah, man. You know, we have to get some new things, revamp the sound. You know what I mean? It's actually Renaissance in a joint partnership with Silent Noise, which is still, you know, on the Renaissance. You know, big DJ Delano.
Kuya celebrating their anniversary, 420 style.